Step by step in this video, you will learn how to create half-face typography effect on Canva. Let's go into the tutorial.
The first step is to come to Canva, open your Canva app, click on Create, select the size of post you want. So I'll just go with this one. So once you come to your workspace here, the first thing you need to do is to type in your text. So I'm going to type my text. I'm going to say be positive always. So you align it to the left. I want to bring it down into one line. Be positive always. So I'm going to change the font. You can use any font of your choice, but for this video we'll be using Anton. So I'm going to bring this here. I can decide to reduce the line spacing, then I will increase. I'll make it to stretch, something like this. So once you are okay with your text, you have to bring in your image, the image you want to use. So for me, I will just search for headshot. So I searched headshot of a cheerful man. You can use your own picture or someone else's picture. So I will use this. I think I like this, so I'm going to stretch this. I'll stretch it. Alright, so I think I like it this way. So the next thing is to stretch your text. This is your text. So make sure that the text covers half of the face. Click on your image. Click on position, bring it to forward. Now click on transparency to see. Okay, you can see how it looks like when it is transparent. So if it is okay by you, duplicate this page. We have two pages. Then you can delete this image here. We have only the text, and we have this one too. You can delete the text here. So at this point, we have the text, we have the image or the photo you want to use. So you need to download this. You download the two of them separately. You click on share, you click on download, then you download each of them. So I will download the text first, and after that I will download the headshot. Once you are done downloading, click on a new page. All you need to do is to bring in the image that you downloaded. Bring it to this new page. So these are the headshot and the image I downloaded. I'm going to bring it to the new page. I'll bring it here. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on apps, search for blend, click on blend image. So once the image blend opens, you come here, you select blend mode, make sure that the blend mode is on screen, then you select your text. This is your text image. Click on top layer, you select it, then for your headshot you click on bottom layer. Now you can see that it has aligned the image into this. Then all you need to do is to click on add to design. This is it. Beautiful. So at this point you can delete your text image. Now you have this and you have this. So all you need to do is to stretch this. Your main image, you also stretch it to cover your workspace. So for your text, you can as well stretch it. Now, at this point, you tap your main image, click on BG remover to remove the background. Now you can see that the background has been removed and you only have this. You can see that you have created this effect. Now, if you want to go further, you can select this and select the main image and group it. Then you can reduce it.
This is the half-face typography effect.
To also make this beautiful, you can select the main image, click on edit, then click on eraser, click on your brush, then you can carefully erase the neck area. Click on erase, then close. To add more style to this, you can decide to click on elements, search for shadow.
So we have succeeded in creating our half-face typography effect on Canva. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can create this half-face typography effect.
All you need to do is upload your image, type in your text, make sure that your text aligns with the face of your image, export your text and the image together, then bring it into Canva as two different files, then blend the face or the image into the text, then align it to the existing face.
And you have your half-face typography effect. So at this point, you click on share to download your half-face typography effect on your computer. If you have any video you want me to create or any question, drop it in the comments. Also, check the link in the description to join our WhatsApp and Telegram group where you can connect with me and meet other creators to learn and grow together. I also have some free gifts, tools and courses. Check the description to get access to them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in our next video.